Hello children. Morning. When at one trigonometric ratios of special angles considered on 30 degree te 45 degree te chuan no, this one should be 60 degree 45 degree te chuan 60 degree te 0 le 90 considered on voin ama sebera 30 degree le 60 degree te dane considered on chumitan chuan a value a chhuat hi ulu tu no inula hi equilateral triangle kan nei ta ni a b and c chuan equilateral triangle nia a side sei zong a b hi a di teila small a mo helai po kha a ni don dinania helai po kha a ni don a b c a c a chuan AD, now we draw AD perpendicular to BC. Tiang ni wangin BD chu a perpendicular chuan a bisectional ta equilateral triangle chuan a altitude kha a median ni nga kan ti kha chu wangin BD chu a by 2 lo niang DC by 2. Okay, now ABD triangle chu kan consider nga AD kan chu chu a angle kha hela hi equilateral triangle chuan 60 degree ni ngala then hela hi 90 ni sia chuan hela hi 30 degree ngala ni. Now let's find 60 degree. In right triangle ABD, we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. AB squared is AD squared plus BD squared. AB2 dan so ito kan A ni tayo A square AD kan so ito kan niya hi BD A by 2 all square. Okay, hi left hand side da AD square kan so ito kan niya plus A by 2 all squared equals A squared, or AD squared is A squared minus hi kan lapita A by 2 all squared. Further gives A squared minus A squared by 4 equals LCM ka 4 lo niya 4A squared minus A squared. So just AD squared chu 4A squared to A squared ka 3A squared lo ta AD ro chu square root lang 3A squared by 4. So root 3 and yet in A square A alo changa 4 square root 2. So AD ka root 3 A by 2 lo itani. Tikhan ABD triangle a chuan a side pathum kan theta A te A by 2 te root 3 A by 2 lo itani. Let tikhan sine cos le tan value a 60 degree kan zia do ni. Now look very carefully till har kha omlem lowa. It's quite simple and easy. It's taking too much time, huh? Sorry. I should have gone to another page, but I've already preset the contents of the next page. Okay, let's sine 60 kan zong. Sine 60 degree chu ti hilai ta ni helai 60 ta kan soi tong kha sine chu opposite by hypotenuse ni 60 opposite chu AD khai ta ni AD hypotenuse chu AB khai ta ABD triangle chu ni to ko ni to kha AB chu AD chu so da root 3 A by 2 lo ni root 3 A by 2 divided by AB is A. So root 3A by 2A. Hem hi kan so fe long asira root 3A by 2 divided by A tinania. So root 3A by 2 into 1 by A tina. So ta hi long so ta. So LA ka kan sela root 3 by 2. Okay, now let's look for cost. Cos 62 adjacent 60 tan adjacent to BD by AB. BD is A by 2 divided by A. 2 A by 2 A equal to 1 by 2. Now done. Chuan he a fixed study sin 60 degree to sin 60 ani to kha chuan he chok tho to ni a side kha enga sei enga toy point se root 3 by 2 kha chok tho kha ria cha to tan chu opposite AD by adjacent ania BD. AD is root 3 A by 2 mo kha. BD is A by 2. 2 root 3 A by 2 into 2 by A. 2 le 2 cancel A le cancel boka. Finally I get root 3. Tikhan adang cosec to sin le link khan le me do na. Cosec 62 sin le link 2 by root 3. Bolo tro. Chuan sec 2 cos that link 2 top cos 2 tan that link root 3 1 by root 3. Nothing difficult, alright. Now 30 degree kat in vele ngal nga het right triangle tho hi ania right triangle dang pongai lo khi 30 degree sa to wangin sin 30 in vele ngalang. Hey, 30 chu A line angle A, angle BAD ka 30 degree nia, sin 30 tan chuan opposite kha BD lo in dei to ni. BD by hypotenuse to AB la nerenga. BD chu A by 2 kan ti khania divided by A and gives A by 2A 1 by 2. Color down it's getting monotonous, right? I don't have too much any option. Now let's look at cos 30. Cos 30 khachu cos tan chuan 30 tan chuan adjacent AD by hypotenuse is again AB. That gives AD is root 3 A by 2 divided by AB is A root 3 A by 2A, that is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 kha om vele nga. Tan 30 chu BD by AD. BD is root not root A by 2 divided by AD is root 3 A by 2. A by 2 multiply with 2 by root 3A gives us 1 by root 3. Dikhan cosec sec le cot ka gan thale khala je vele me mela cosec 32 sin le link true sec 32 cos le link 2 by root 3 and le link mo cot 2 tan le link 1 by root 3 near root 3. Okay, now let's go to 45 degree. 45 degree shiam dan chu taking tan itla triangle right triangle kan nei ta ABC right triangle satlian ni lova hi angle b 90 degree nia isosceles right triangle ni AC ka hypotenuse nia hypotenuse ka chu sei ber trim sima ma se AB le BC ka lun chen ta de. Okay, so on AB ka A kan tilenga BC ka A kan tilenga. Let's find AC. In right triangle ABC. Oh, for any in the chanchu right hey 90 degree nia and hey A le A ka BAB le BC ka in chanchuan helai angle le helai angle ka anh chen ve ta ni isosceles triangle a chuan opposite side anh chen ka chuan he 19 ni to sia he le he kha 19 abel chuak ve a chu vai amal te de 45 ve ve ni tinan this is 45 this is 45 the khan vai in 180 degree. Oh, now let's find AC using Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AC square AB to A ganita BC po A thong. So I get 2A squared. AC equal to square root of 2A squared gives root 2A. So I have root 2A. Okay. Thì khan là dấu lên khal thấy ta sin cos lại tân chưa. Nên cái chú a derive dan hi thiam chuan na ki la table kan siam no na kha kai ba haloi po derive dan hi thiam chuan engma a table khalo ba halo mala exam ne boy lawang. Let's look at sin 45. Sin 45 to C kha ngai to de la 45 opposite AB. Oh kha soi thin no kha ta hel 45 ta jon hela hi opposite ania ai hypotenuse hela adjacent kha kha sa to ro opposite kha AB by AC AB to A nia root 2A gives 1 by root 2. What goes 45? BC by AC. Again, A by root 2A thou gives us 1 by root 2. Then 45. Then 45 to AB by BC. Opposite by adjacent kanya. A by A. 1. Now cosec. Cosec thì bây giờ chú thì cần đặt tổ long sai lệch liên anh nhá root 2 như vậy sec po root 2 như vậy cos khá 1 lệch liên 1 này chú 1 thầu. Ok. Thì khá 45 vẫn đủ tốt lên hả. Now 0 lên 90 cái soi tăng đó nè. Hey hi anh làm hiện gì hả rồi khóc mày mà rồi chú gì cần tuân theo à. Hey right triangle ni le a angle B 90 degree means AC kha hypotenuse nia AB kha opposite ni lo triangle kan don BC kha adjacent ni ta ni. He tai chuan ziala na ngai lem lo a i tu chu tiang hi ni 0 degree zo hi lo la tai la phota hela hi 0 degree chuan ti he ngai to ang hela hi 0 degree chuan he angle hi thil da kan zia de nga he hi 30 degree ta se 20 chu he de ai da te do da ni te vel to nga chuan 10 pe chu he di vel da kal to 0 ani chuan I khe tur chu he mi line le CB le CA kha line khan kal do do ni te hian A khan B kha ron dek to don kha lo khe sa to if so I write down if angle C equal to 0 degree khami om zia chu A le B kha nang do di na ni CA le then A and B coincide yom de chu at the same point ina A le B kha nang ti na or tin so yang AC is BC AC le BC kha chen don. Okay, so let's see sin 0 degree chu thian alternate opposite kha AC le BC chen chuan AB kha 0 di nani chan chu A le B kha om nai nang dong ka ti kha 0 degree chuan sin 0 chu AB by AC lo nia nga chu AB kha 0 do na 0 by AC chu example se 0 kha chok tho thong to cos 0 degree BC by AC BC le AC ching cái to khai ta này chu AC by AC ni mai anh chen ta BC le AC ka 1 then 0 degree is again AB by BC that gives AB to 0 chok cái to hết thì equal to 0 apoi mo chu he la hi 0 degree chuan A le B kha anin C A le B kha ang reng chu mi om le chu A B kha 0 ti na AC le B C chen bok now let's look at 90 degree sorry tla hi C kha 90 degree ni ve tur chuan te hin ngai tong he la hi 90 ni to sa a he la hi 90 ni ve don chuan he la hi 0 ti na ni don chu atak ta khan right triangle ta om thei lo ngai khan ya ma se ti zo hen a the ka ngang he la hi 0 degree chuan kan soi photo kha he la hi 0 chuan C le B khai coincide ve thung no ti na ni C kha B aro dom don 19 to chuan mo he la hi 0 ni nga ya so I write if angle C is 90 degree angle B to 90 degree ni sa trim ta a om zia chu tiang hin don ta ni C and B coincide chu mi om zia chu CB kha a 0 ta ni 0 degree loin 0 centimeter chuan AB le AC khain chen bok so let's see sin 90 to opposite kha ne AB nia AB by AC AB le sin chen ka ti jong che tro ka so AB by AB thau ni equal to 1 cos 90 BC by AC BC chu AC B 0 kan tia 0 de mai jang ai to la tan 90 chu AB by BC lo nya AB by BC chu 0 kan tia 0 till divide khap mathematics a chuan thei lo phal lo khap bura ni chu wangin hei undefined kan ti ni divide kha thiang lo or assistant te kan petrina symbol hei infinity kan ti chiar sen lo ti da ni hei i to chu infinity hi number ni lem lawa it's more of an idea all right te khat ta siak to lo na ma khan kan je longa cosec ai chona ling le che don cosec 90 chu 1 ania sec 90 chu 0 by 1 to 1 by 0 undefined value ni chuan cot 90 chu undefined by 1 ni ta chu 0 cho value che thu le khang ho ka hi khang kan chu cho ka te la hlomi kan zia ta ni table in hei copy nga memorize magap tur ni by heart tur dia i set to chu hi class 9 a chau an don no class 10 a kan la zir le don kan la mang na cha don no to ka high distance chapter shan lokin oma chu da chon hi mi hi he table hi om to don lo class 10 a mo kha lo chin che la chu wang chuan he la hi i thiam lo chuan he hi i thiam lo chuan in class 9 textbook aro refer le ngai do na hemi no re mo chu wang na tu na han thiam chen na tu tur ya olan de wan ya kan soi log nga change the color en la ta hian sin chau hi ba ha ta ngai sin 0 to 0 nia 30 to 1 by 2 45 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 he ju I by ha tang ado dai cho di he ron ko se cho na le ling zong in hey 1 ka he ta ron ka la ma sa bera root 3 by 2 ti hian 1 by 2 1 by root 2 1 by 2 siam dro ti hian chuan tana chuan he le he divide 0 by 1 divide 0 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 ko divide la 1 by root 3 1 by 2 le 1 by root 2 le 1 by root 2 to 1 root 3 by 2 le 1 by 2 to root 3 1 divided by 0 undefined kan di kha chuan a bak kha chu hreto ko sec chu hemi le link side le link sec chu cos le link cot chu tan le link sin chu kha memorize angai ni chu le problem strength kan choka khami mang khan evaluate sin 60 degree cos let's do this sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30 sin 60 kan soi tong khan table kan enanga sin 60 chu root 3 by 2 mo ati region table khala ento nakina yen don no ne cos 60 ka I'm sorry cos 30 jo cos 30 ka root 3 by 2 ve tho root 3 by 2 bokani plus cos 60 ke to don lawa 1 by 2 sin 30 ko 1 by 2 so this gives root 3 le root 3 chu chapter ma sabera kan jen to ka 3 to pa chuak 2 le 2 ka 4 1 le 1 1 4 so LCM is 4 3 plus 1 gives 4 by 4 1 next example in right angle PQR PQ equal to 4 angle PRQ 30 degree determine QR he ka soi do khamo trigonometry a chuan side pakhat chau shela adang a hriat vek thei ka ni do kha he ta te PQ chau kan thre ni he 4 ania chon he la angle 30 degree ni boka adang PR te RQ ni ga zong do ni Pythagoras theorem ba khala thei mi lo ko di do kha now let's see how do we use sin sin 30 in triangle PQR sin 30 tianga equal to lemken la 30 tan opposite to PQ by hypotenuse PR mo sin 30 cho nge tu kha table in bang 1 by 2 tu kanin chuan PQ chuan 4 at luka PR kha kan zon tur mo cross anga PR le 1 in multiply anga PR 2 le 4 in multiply ve thunga so PR is 8 centimeter so I get 8 centimeter so RQ ka zong le don la cos mang le me tur nia cos 30 equal to adjacent ka RQ by PR cos 30 ka root 3 by 2 RQ is Santurania PR is 8 2 RQ equal to 8 root 3 RQ to 8 root 3 by 2 4 root 3 centimeter okay và để thoát đến root 3 cái rồi cái này là now one more example the angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree find the height of the tower trigonometry ka atak tak man na kan zir chho tran ta ni tuna hian in chho sang tak ka oma tower in chho sang de oma chu a san zong kha han lon mi lo te dan kha om ta ni trigonometry mangin chu kan ti do na i hriat tur chu ta hian angle ero ka te thiam ngai ta ni ta na te ta angle zo kha ga aban a chuat atanga le abanina le an phumna a fu atanga meter som thuma hla atang khan a angle a chip khan en taila angle of elevation in so feel nga tian line om ta se he line thil point pha kha en ta ni chon kha point kha ta en chho ta la line outside he line outside ni ta se triangle he angle of elevation kan ti chu ni angle of elevation okay he line of sight and there line of sight now they go they had yang ni chuan amilem hi ziat masak fer tur ne milem ten na chaw thei mi lawa chuan amilem hi kan zia dik to chuan ati sual thei mi lo thum boka class 10 hian tam don to ba problem som ni do thom no na tiang chi class 9 ha chuan palinga vel ba khal om lawa class 9 ai thiam chen chuan class 10 han only em lem don ni ama sebera chuan tower atia tower lem kan zia do tower lem zia to ka ti khan in chaw sang tak tak lem kha zia ngai lawa vertical line rin kha ni top mai it's very difficult for me to draw anyway let me try my best a tower ang chuloi ta ni atmia a b phu atela a b chuan he b hi a foot chu ni ta ni a hi top ania b hi foot chu ni ta a foot atanga meter som thuma hla ti le a si ti ngo he meter som thuma ta ni tatanga la khan en chhota a excuse me this is 30 degree hey third angle of elevation ka 30 degree ti chuan asan jong a b kha izon tur chu ni ta ni te kha jon he olle ta e me ni bc kha 30 ta adjacent ania ab kha opposite ani oppositely adjacent omna kha ingai tuang trigonometric ratio kan sin nge cos nge tan ti kha ta hian chu kan sei tur chu we have bc is 30 meter kan zo tur kha ab ni in right triangle abc ab is height of tower athu kha zia vela height of tower and c is 30 meter from foot of tower b the khan hai bc kha a given ania ab kha a zona ni ta chuan angle c 30 degree ka kan nei bok ta chu wangin 30 tan chuan hei hi adjacent ania hei opposite ania khami pahnih omna kha opposite le adjacent omna chu tan na lo in ta ni tan kha ban nei tu tan 30 is equal to ab by bc tan 30 ka 1 by root 3 nia ab chu kan jon tur ania bc is 30 cross leila root 3 into ab is 1 into 30 30 ab chu 30 by root 3 now very important thing chapter 1 akan zir to kha atmoya root om hi phal lo ani kha khati bo nge ngai kan ti kha chapter 1 a rationalization of shots akan zir to kha rationalize the denominator di khan he root 3 ka di bong ab equal to 30 by root 3 ti bo dan chu root 3 ve ka multiply mi to a chung le atwai numerator le denominator kha chuan he 30 root 3 ni me a chung lam bak chuan atnoi lam hi root 3 le root 3 chu 3 so te le theta I get 10 root 3 meter okay ti khan a san zong kha ba te tak tak lo khan ba lon tak tak me lo khan kan lo se chok thei ta ni ta hian he kan soi non le du chu tan 30 kha 1 by root 3 kha khai by half te la ngai ka ti to he lai te bu mi kha to be ani okay that will be enough for the day